welcome back to my channel. Bossire here. What is up, you guys? If you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by once more. So today, oh, girl, do you see this hair? Like, the blend with my hair is to die. Okay, what's that? The blend with my hair is to die for. Literal. Ooh, sis! Look at how silky, how smooth this hair is. Like, literally, my white tooth comb just. Ooh, girl, girl. Y'all see my highlighter though. Y'all. Oh, sis. Anyways, you guys. If you want to know how I made this extension from start to end, it is a Velcro tape wrap ponytail. It is inspired by Aliexpress. I had bought an Aliexpress one and it was trash. Trash in capital. Trash. It was trash. The hair was like sort of silky. Let me just show you guys how the hair looks. I'm back with our culprit. So this hair was like 300 and something, and I thought that, like, 300, why not? Let me buy it. So this is how it looks. When you see it like this, you'll be fooled that the hair is like super soft and blah blah blah. If you would try comb it now, I don't know why it cooperates. I had bought 3 of them initially for commercial use, but I ended up selling like a few and remained with this one because I wanted to do a small review on YouTube to tell you never, don't be fooled with the prices. This is pure. This is not even synthetic hair. I don't know what this is, by the way, because it tangled up really. What is this? So anyway, this is kind of my inspiration. Yeah, so I went on Aliexpress again and ordered this material of making it, and decided to make my own hair locally with hair that I can trust, with hair that I know what to expect, rather than buying a whole thing. 8300 wanna, you will be, oh damn trash. Anyways, even to know how I was able to obtain this look with just hair that is locally found here in Kenya, please do keep on watching. Thank you. Bye bye.